I can tell you as a clinical psychologist, most of our problems come from this one place, our inability to simply observe, feel, and process our feelings. Because from childhood we were told to suppress our feelings because it didn't make our parents feel good, we have this subconscious, constant attempt to suppress anytime we feel feelings that feel uncomfortable to us. So we drink, we smoke, we gossip, we vomit, we talk too much, we procrastinate, we avoid, we delay. All these ways to simply distract ourselves from the real work of what is showing up authentically in our bodies, which is to observe what we're feeling, process it through journaling or talking about it to a coach, and then watching it like a wave subside. But because we were never taught to do this, our instinct is constantly to suppress, suppress, suppress. And those feelings never really disappear. They keep building up like a volcano within us, and one day it will all come crashing down. Learn from children. Children know how to feel their feelings. They ride it like a wave, and then the wave subsides. This is what we need to do with our feelings. And let me tell you, most of our addictions, most of our self-sabotage will disappear with this one skill of learning to observe, feel, and process feelings.